Hello friends, today in this video I'm gonna show you a short story about a farmer. So let's get started. There was a farmer who grew the most excellent wheat. Every season he won the award for the best wheat in his country. A wise woman came to him to ask him about his success. He told her that the key was sharing his best seed with his neighbor so they could plant the seed as well. The wise woman asked, "How can you share your best wheat seed with your neighbors when they compete with you every year?" "That's simple," the farmer replied. "The wind spreads the pollen from everyone's wheat and carries it from the field to field. If my neighbors grew inferior wheat, cross-pollination will degrade everyone's wheat, including mine. If I'm to grow the best wheat, I must help my neighbors grow the best wheat as well." This is not only the excellent advice for growing the best crops, but also great advice for how to live your life. If you want to live a meaningful and happy life, help others find happiness. Remember, the value of your life is measured by the life you touch with love, kindness, respect, and whole. The story ends. Thanks you for watching this video.